Yes,
We
yes,
want
I
to
get it.
quickly wrap it up. We'll not take much of your time this time. We'll not bore you by explaining you each challenge this time for 2 hours. We'll just quickly tell you what the challenges are and how you're
Yes.
supposed to follow them, the points that will be allocated to these challenges. Okay. Yes, let's move ahead. So we have got our nutrition challenges first. Let's come to the nutrition challenges.
Yes.
So
Yes.
nutrition challenges basically. So the first challenge that we are asking you to take is to cook a recipe which is less than 300 calories. Okay. The frequency of this should be twice in 10 days. You don't have to write this down. This will be announced in the group. It will be showcased very nicely on how you're supposed to follow these challenges, what will the frequency, what will be the points, with some examples. Of course, the rest of the things you can also seek help with your mentors.
Right.
Okay. So the first challenge is cook a recipe which is less than 300 calories. You're supposed to follow this for twice in 10 days. Again, this is a 10-day challenge, but this is like we had the previous challenges to be followed on everyday basis. Few of them you have to follow every day, but there are certain things that you're supposed to follow it twice, thrice, probably once, or probably 5 times in 10 days, or probably every day. So we will tell you
Right.
what is the frequency of each challenge and how you're supposed to follow it and how you're supposed to showcase it. Okay. So when it comes to cooking a recipe or having a recipe which is less than 300 calories, you'll be given a set of options. For example, you can have brown rice with low fat dal. You can have lauki with besan fritters. I'm sure you all love that. Uh, you can have banana smoothie bowl. You can have Caesar salad, or you can have Thai curry. You can have peanut butter chocolate protein shake. These are the options that are in front of you, and of course, you can explore your own uh, recipes for 300 less than 300 calories meal. Okay, this has to be the main meal. Please note this. This has to be either a breakfast or a lunch meal or a dinner meal. Yeah, you
Perfect.
want to get the next challenges,
Yes.
Nikita? So the points,
Yes.
okay, the points allocated to this would be 20. And how you're supposed to showcase it? Through a photo or a video. Probably you can just shoot a video of the recipe that you're cooking if you want. And you're supposed to showcase it likewise.
हाँ यार सबको हेल्प करो हम भी बनाएंगे रेसिपी देख के एंड we'll also
Yeah,
relish it. Yes.
absolutely. Absolutely. This challenge is more about teaching each other. This is what
Right.
the aim of these challenges is, that, you make others, uh, you know, and all of you in your family can actually do these challenges, because you
Right.
have to prepare some stuff and have it probably every day. For example, some laddus and all. We'll come to that. So, Nikita, you can go ahead with the next challenge.
Yeah. So next challenge is also twice in 10 days. Okay. And that is also allocated 20 points. Okay. So that is energy bar post workout. That is within 100 calories. ओके सो अभी एग्जांपल देना पड़ेगा क्या खा सकते हो एनर्जी बार में ठीक है सो देसी एग्जांपल्स सम ऑफ इट इज खजूर खा लो 1 cup of dates or खजूर you can have okay
नहीं, ये जो
and
देसी बार है, निकिता, ये एनर्जी बार है, ये पूरा इससे बनेगा। खजूर, कैश्यू,
I think we
आमंड।
can post the recipe. So it mainly consists of like peanut butter, what we are trying to say, peanut butter bar. You can consume, or you can consume this complete recipe, which is made from like khajur, water, almonds, kaju, and walnuts, and a lot of stuff. So I think Anjali, it's better we post it, right?
Yes, yes. So it's not necessary that you are supposed to have this desi recipe. You can have your own energy bar. This is basically
Right,
you're supposed to have post workout, and it has to be within 100 calories. Okay, so you can make your own energy bars out of almonds, cashews, badam, all the dry fruits that you have at home. Some seeds
right,
in it, some coconut, some cardamom powder in it. So making sure that you get all the pufa and mufa from these ingredients. Okay.
right, right. Yeah. Next one is yours.
Does it look exciting, guys? I mean, Tell us, actually, others' recipe help us for cooking. Yes, absolutely, Pranati. Does it sound interesting to all of you? You're supposed to make your own energy bars at home instead of buying it from the market. Like recently, Sujata posted energy laddu recipe. Yes, yes, Rajni. Yes, something on those lines. So moving to the next challenge, we have you are supposed to have you are going to love this. This is my favorite challenge. So you're supposed to make a high protein dessert. Let's have some examples from you guys. What could be a high protein dessert?
अब
हाँ,
फाइनली जो
गुलाब
सखी,
जामुन मत बोल देना
हाँ
प्लीज.
हाँ नहीं, सखी के लिए जो हमने प्रॉमिस किया था कि वो खिलाएंगे, फाइनली
Yes,
वो टाइम आ गया है. सो आई एम
absolutely.
गिविंग यू गुड हिंट टू गेस नाउ.
तो एक्चुअली हुआ क्या है, पीपल हैव बीन टेलिंग अस दैट अरे हमें अच्छा अच्छा खाने को तो मिल नहीं रहा है, वो नो रिस्ट्रिक्शंस बोला था, हमने कहा ठीक है, लेट्स ब्रिंग इट नाउ. पनीर खीर, वाओ, यू गेस्ड इट सो राइट.
Perfect, Rajni, bang on, actually.
Absolutely. So,
Yes.
well, अभी you're gonna have, मतलब ऐसा डाइट आपने कभी कभी पहले किया ही नहीं होगा. You're gonna have रस मलाई. Yes, Reena. You guys know it all. So, okay, more examples, guys. So you can have ragi peanut laddu.
Laddu.
You can have moong dal halwa, ras malai. Yes. You can
Like
have
seeds laddu.
peanut butter coconut balls. You can have flax seeds laddu.
वाओ यार, अंजलि लगता नहीं हम डाइट कर रहे हैं यार. This is so exciting. डाइट में ये सब खाना. This looks amazing, actually.
Exactly. But you know, usually diets are so boring, and people think that diet करना पड़ेगा तो we'll have to restrict certain things. No, it's not necessary. You can just enjoy your life while being on a diet.
मतलब जो हमने बोला था सब
Diet
चीज
is
खाओ, but healthier version खाओ. Now we are
Yes,
coming to it. Yes.
absolutely. But okay, coming to this has to be only twice in 10 days. It is not that you're supposed to have it every day. आप रोज पनीर की खीर खा रहे हो और protein laddu is okay, doable, but it has to be only twice in 10 days. We would prefer if you shoot a video and post it in the group, because this will really help your fellows, your teammates for this.
And guys, no sugar at all, please. No sugar.
It has to be no sugar. It has to be low calorie. Please
Yes.
remember these basic things.
Yes.
Okay, no maida, no refined oil, no sugar. These three things. I'm repeating it again: no sugar, no maida, and no refined oil.
अब देखते हैं हमारे टीम में कौन शेफ है, हमारे सखीज में कौन सबसे अच्छा शेफ है. I really want to see now.
We will have dessert every day, then Gauri मारेगी. वो मुझे पहले ही before coming live, she's like, Anjali, you have to be, you cannot just give them a leeway. You have to be very strict when you're announcing this. She was already scared कि okay, Anjali is gonna do this, और वो काफी सारे fruits खाने को बोलने वाली है इसमें. So she gave me a list that no, I'm not going to allow all of this. Really enjoyed the first phase. Lovely. We will get recipes for this. We'll be posting few recipes we want you to explore, because this challenge is about learning yourself and making your people around you learn these things. So Preeti, yes, we will be posting recipes every single day, newer recipes, but of course you can we will get examples. Yes, we'll give you 2 recipes each for each challenge. Okay.
Right.
And of course, every day we'll be posting something or the other, and you have your fellow mates, you have your
Mentors.
mentors, you've got all the participants who will help you with these Jawari atta noodles. Yes, yes. So coming to the next challenge, we
Healthier.
now again, this is so good. You guys have tried besan pizza. I am sure. How many of you tried the besan pizza? How many of you liked it? और किस किसने अपने घर में बच्चों को खिलाया और अपने हस्बैंड्स को खिलाया?
I'm sure most of them have tried and loved it. I personally got a lot of messages.
Awesome. I made besan pizza yesterday. Somehow did not post a photo. but oh, it was amazing, and my family loved it. Let's know,
Actually,
guys.
आप सखी को मोटिवेट नहीं कर रहे हो यार. You should keep posting pictures. Come on. I mean, पूरी family happy. प्रणौती बोल रही है.
Everyone like loved besan pizza.
Preeti
It's
also
simply
loved it.
amazing.
Wow.
Preeti,
Very nice.
Well,
Very
she
nice,
tried.
Sonali.
My kids loved it. Sonali loved it. Simply yum.
Rajasthan
Ashwini,
loved it.
thanks Ashwini.
Dimple loved it.
Pizza.
Very nice. Very nice.
Abhi,
That's very amazing.
just ditch your normal maida wala pizza. It's become ritual now once in a week. Lovely.
Wow.
Lovely.
That's amazing. That's
You must
amazing.
ditch your because guys, वो जो बेसन जो मैदे वाला पिज्जा होता है, that's so unhealthy.
Actually.
Of course, you can make a multigrain atta ka pizza. And if you don't like besan, you can make your own base with multigrain atta, and you can make a cheeseburger pizza at home by using those cheese slices and making a layer of another base. Of course, we'll share the recipe of those. We need to see plates of Anjali and Nikita more frequently for motivation. Yes, why not, Rajni?
Definitely, Rajni will try.
I tried, and all my family loved a lot. My kids and husband say that skip maida base now. Thank you so much, Menka. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
It means a lot, guys. Means a lot. Definitely.
Okay, so now the challenge is, since you guys have already tried the besan pizza, the challenge is trying a healthier version of your favorite fast food item. Again, I'm repeating, it has to be no sugar, no maida, no refined oil at all.
अब अपने क्रिएटिविटी दिखाने का टाइम आ गया. निकालो अंदर के शेफ को बाहर. Let me see. We want to try different recipes altogether.
I mean, you guys can try besan pizza, you guys can try zucchini noodles, and you guys are amazing chefs. तो हमें तो बताने की जरूरत भी नहीं है.
आप हमको हेल्प करो इनफैक्ट रेसिपी बुक बनाने के लिए. You give my Sakhi's recipes. I'm sure most of you are very good cook. Sure about it.
Let's move to the next challenge, Nikita.
Yes. So next challenge is include 15 grams protein in every meal. Wow. That's awesome. So रोज करना है ये. 10 दिन में 2 बार नहीं. This is every day. In fact, in our daily lifestyle also, we should be following this. And तो प्रोटीन के सोर्सेस बताने की जरूरत है या आप लोग को पता है? चलो कमेंट करो. लेट मी सी क्या क्या इंक्लूड करोगे.
But we can eat sweets, as in low carb diets, we are not allowed to eat sweets and fruits.
इसलिए 10 दिन में 2 बार ही बोला है. That's Sonali.
Just a sec. Nikita, I need to get my charger. My laptop is about to discharge.
Sure.
I'll be here in a minute.
Yeah. No problem. Very good, Rajni. You're absolutely right. Chicken, eggs, paneer. So all of these are good protein sources. In fact, sprouts is also one of the very good source for protein. So legumes, yes. So we can try all that. I'll be really good. I mean, every day करना है ये. रोज फोटो आनी चाहिए सबकी. So let's see. Rajat, I completely agree with you on that. What you just said. Okay. So how are you guys finding the challenges? Could you please comment? Interesting है?
Yes, guys, show us some excitement, man.
कुछ तो comment करो.
Paneer, eggs, dal, bean peas, paneer, eggs, chicken. Okay. Beans, eggs, paneer, right? इसके अलावा you are forgetting the highest vegetarian source of protein, which is guess. Chicken. No, vegetarian source. Rajni, vegetarian source.
Tofu.
No.
Soya.
Yes, soya. Soya has the highest protein, is the highest vegetarian source. Of course, black chana is also is very rich in protein, but
Right, right.
tofu, your soya is the winner.
Yes, yes.
बहुत खाने को मिलेगा. Yes, इस बार बहुत बहुत खाने को मिलेगा. Okay, so
But
moving on to
definitely,
the next challenge, you guys are supposed to have make an Ayurvedic immunity booster. Okay, so since we had this green smoothie challenge in the morning, you're supposed to have this Ayurvedic immunity booster. That should be without sugar again. My way of making an Ayurvedic immunity booster is my um mother in love. I don't say mother in law. I say mother in love makes this for me every day. She uses elaichi, dalchini, salt. So basically, dried ginger, kali mirch, some water, and if you need, you can add some honey to it. I'll repeat that: cardamom, one tablespoon of cardamom, one tablespoon of dalchini, 1 tablespoon of dried ginger, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 3 cups of water, and you're supposed to boil that so that it reduces to half. You can add some optional honey. वैसे भी अगर दाल चीनी डालो तो फिर वो automatically मीठा हो जाता है, so you don't need to add honey. And you can add some tulsi leaves to it. This
wow.
acts as an immunity booster. You can create your own, even if you are having haldi water, you're having haldi milk, you're having it's now, in the West, they have started calling it the turmeric latte, right?
Yes,
So,
yes.
so you guys can start having that. Okay, there's no fixed time, but you this challenge is supposed to be done every single day. And make sure that if you're doing it, you're making your kids have it, make it interesting. Add some honey to it. Probably you can add some jaggery to it when you're giving it to your kids. Make your
Right.
entire family have this immunity booster, because at this time, immunity is the key.
Exactly.
Golden milk, also they say. Yes, yes, absolutely. मेरे घर में कोई वेजिटेरियन फूड नहीं खाता. I have less knowledge about veg. तो आप नॉनवेज खाओ.
Rajni,
We will
Rajni,
show.
मुझसे check करना, I'll help you. Okay.
By the way, Nikita is a pure vegetarian. She'll really help you with this.
No anda also.
No wonder.
मेरी जिंदगी
So,
पनीर और सोया पे ही चल रही है.
let's quickly move to the next challenges, guys. Will not take much of your time. काफी सारे challenges are there. Like around in nutrition, you have got 20 challenges to follow. Yes, but since you are not supposed to do it every day, it's mostly once, twice, maximum thrice.
Right.
Most of them are twice or thrice. Okay, so you're going to enjoy this really. Now the next challenge is to share a native recipe. So anything, any native recipe of your own from where you belong to. For example, I'm a Sindhi, so I would be following the challenge with you guys while I'll show you a recipe of how to cook a Sindhi curry. We have this special dish called sai bhaji. So sai bhaji is nothing but dal
I've
palak.
had palak ka. Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
dal palak. But we usually put some methi in it. Methi, palak, chane ki dal. So we call it
Very
sai
nice.
bhaji because it's very rich. It's very, very rich. So sai bhaji and that. Of course, I don't know who all of you are Sindhi, but sai bhaji or sana pakoda and and brown rice is something that we Sindhis love.
And
Then of
Anjali,
course,
Koki, we would want to see the
koki,
recipe of Koki.
definitely, definitely.
I
But
personally like Koki.
Koki once in a while, not every day, because
Yeah,
Koki has it's a moti thick roti of wheat with
right,
some
right.
chopped
Onions,
onions and coriander and some mirchi in it. Okay, and
right.
there are different ways of making Koki. And since I'm married to a Brahmin family and I am residing in गोरखपुर these days, so मैंने ऐसी ऐसी vegetables का नाम मतलब यहाँ पे देख रही हूँ जो मैंने सुना भी नहीं है. For example, kundro. I had never heard of kundro. I had posted a photo of this green vegetable recently, and you guys thought that it was Loki. It was क्या बोलते हैं उसको? आप
Sponge.
महाराष्ट्र में स्पॉन्ज महाराष्ट्र में उसको बोलते हैं घी तुरई. Ghee turai. But this was another version. It's the word is called the vegetable is called sarputia. So when when I was out with my father, I asked him, "ये क्या vegetable?" It looked like लौकी, छोटी सी पतली सी, like वो जो घी तुरई होती है जो महाराष्ट्र में बोलते हैं. तो उसका छोटा वर्जन था. टेस्ट भी वैसा ही होता है, थोड़ा मीठा कम होता है. So ये like ये सरपुतिया है. Like सरपुतिया ऐसे लगता है जैसे किसी महारानी का नाम हो. And then they also call it ninwa here in UP. So we have got our own. All of us have got our own native recipes. What is your favorite native recipe? Totally yes. What is your favorite native recipe, guys? Punjabi, Sindhi, Maharashtrians, Guju. You guys have so much to do. In Bihar, we make a typical mixed veg with brinjal, cauliflower, peas, radish, tomato, and we call it danla. Am I pronouncing it correct? Danla.
Dalna. It's dalna.
Dalna. Right. Dalna.
Yes. And litti chokha. Never forget litti chokha.
Yes. Yes. You guys can try litti chokha.
Oh God.
Again, this is twice in 10 days.
नहीं तो गौरी पीटेगी हमको. ओके, रजनी गलत बोल रही है हमने. अच्छा, ओके, परफेक्ट. ठीक है. So let's move on to the next.
What is your favorite native recipe, by the way, Nikita?
एकदम healthy वाली अंजलि. I belong from, my mother is from Rajasthan, my father is from Haryana. So Rajasthani dish है dal dhokli, very healthy actually. So the dhokli is made from besan altogether, and dal अपनी normal वाली दाल है. And it's like a one pot meal. One pot
I
meal.
love dal dhokli.
I also love dal dhokli. उसमें peanuts डालते हैं, by the way. So whenever you want to have it, मतलब without any guilt, I can have it. मैं घी भी उसमें डालती हूँ थोड़ा. It's a very good recipe. I definitely try to post that one.
Our specialty is mirchi, bhaji, jwar bhakri, brinjal, bharit puri. That's from Maharashtra. Portal fry in Bengal. Wow. Thanks, Vedina. Thanks, Ninka. Then let's move to the next challenges. You guys have to design a laddu which has to be without sugar. Okay.
Right.
Also, that should cover all the fat profiles. When I say fat profile, matlab PUFA, MUFA, omega-3. These are the 3 fat profiles. PUFA is basically polyunsaturated fat and monounsaturated fat and omega-3. इसके क्या-क्या sources हैं? We will be sharing it with you. ठीक है? So you can accordingly you have to design a laddu. Make sure you have it with your entire family, and this is supposed to be taken every single day, but only half a laddu. Not more than half.
और प्लीज रात में मत खाना. Don't have it before sleeping, please.
Okay, then the challenge is to drink 3 to 4 liters of water every day.
I think they are already doing it, I'm sure.
Important
But
is your...
actually, ये challenge को post कैसे करेंगे कि इन्होंने इतना पानी पिया है कि नहीं पिया है? How will they post that?
They can download a tracker, a water tracker. इतना तो we believe them. Either they can just say that, okay, we have had 3-4 liters of water, or you can download a tracker, you can track it. Some people like to track their water intake. I like to track my water intake, otherwise I forget water.
Yeah.
So, yes, water. So you can just show that tracker by the end of the day that you've had so many liters of water, or you just have to report. That's all. We'll believe you. Okay. Thereafter, you are supposed to taste one of them. Please go ahead, Nikita.
So one of your meal you have to replace with a colorful salad. Wow. और without any guilt, मतलब जितना खाना है खाओ, कोई रोक टोक नहीं उस पे, आराम से in a good portion.
I have seen so many salad plates. वो इतने छोटे-छोटे portions होते हैं. It has to be salad. I don't know if you know about. It has to be a big portion of salad.
Yes.
Because you are supposed to replace your meal with this. So it can either be, usually it should be before 6 p.m., not for dinner. Because it's totally up to you, but to some people, it creates gases and bloating issue if you're having a raw fruit or vegetable after 6 p.m. or later in the evening. But it's totally up to you, but you're supposed to replace your meal with a big, big portion of salad. You can add your dressings, you can add mayo to it, you can have ketchups to it, however way you like it. Your own dressing of mustard sauce. I love mustard. I had recently shared a post of salad dressing.
Yes,
So
yes, yes. Saw that.
so you can
Awesome.
go ahead and just customize it the way you want it. This again has to be followed twice in 10 days.
Yeah,
You guys
Anjali, ये तो रोज करना चाहिए यार. We'll see colorful pictures every day. We should do it every day. At least in lunchtime.
don't ask them to replace their meal every day with a salad.
I'm sure they wouldn't mind now. Next one is for mentors. You go ahead, Anjali, with the next one.
Okay, so the next one is, this is interesting. Now we
Yes.
want you to declare some, since you guys have already gelled with each other, you guys know each other well by now. We want you to declare some names for your participants. You can just go ahead and do it on your own according to your team's name. For example, just to give you an example, since it's an MPL challenge, if we were in a cricket match, we have a captain, we have a wicket keeper, we have a batsman, we have a bowler, we have a fielder. So
Right.
you guys can have your own. You guys are so innovative that you can have your own names, but each participant should have a name. Okay, so you can say probably ये dieter है और ये motivator है. This person really helps motivate all the team members. You can just think of something really innovative. All you have to do is take photos of each of the participants, give them names, make a collage of it, and post it in the group, so that we know each other's faces. We can see who is in whose team. All your participants and all your competitors can see each other. Let's at least see the faces. Very important.
Yes, yes. Actually.
So again, this has, of course, this is only once you're supposed to do, and this itself, this particular activity will give you 100 points.
That's
So
really
you,
nice.
yes, so
एक
you
बार
can
में बड़ा हाथ मार सकते हो. Please.
बहुत बहुत
do
जल्दी
it.
बात में अपना हाथ मार सकते हो.
Actually, yes, yes.
Think of some innovative names, guys. ठीक है?
Next one is.
Go ahead, Nikita.
So the next one is trying a new vegetable altogether. So देखते हैं इसमें कौन innovative कर सकता है. जैसे मैंने आज तक वो सेपू या सोपू somebody says ना महाराष्ट्र में मिलता है, एक leafy vegetable है. I don't know the English name of it. Do you know, Anjali, what is sopu?
ये मैंने सोपू सुना है. मैं उसको पहले शैम्पू बोलती थी, मुझे नहीं समझ में आता.
तो वो एक्चुअली दाल में डाल के बनाते हैं. दाल में डाल के बनती है वो vegetable. So that is something I've never had till today, and I've just seen. So maybe I would want to give it a try, as it's a green leafy vegetable. So yes, so something different.
100 points for that. Oh my god. Well, yes. So you have to try a unconventional vegetable, a vegetable that you have dil. Yes, dil. Yes, so that you have never ever tried. सोया बोलते यूपी में. Yes, सोया बोलते हैं. दिल्ली, शेपू, right? So all these you can try your own vegetables. सेपू अगर आपने बहुत खाया हुआ है, कुछ और try करो. You try an unconventional vegetable.
I mean, anything you want to try which you have not had till today, something different maybe. Like I did not try seafood. Yeah.
Let us also know that this is the unconventional vegetable. This is a new vegetable that you're trying. We'll also
Right.
learn a thing or two from you.
Right. And especially अभी जो आंटी ने बताया, I don't know यहाँ महाराष्ट्र में मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा. What was the name? I can't even remember the name. The small pumpkin one.
Sarputia.
Sarputia. Yeah. Okay.
Sarputia नहीं, Sarputia.
Okay. Will take time for me to pronounce it.
I mean lots of things here which I never heard nor seen. Okay, Rajni. So by the way, guys, Rajni is in Netherlands, right, Rajni? If I'm not wrong. So,
बाद
of
में तो
course,
और इनोवेशन करके बताओ.
तो काफी इनोवेशन आने वाला है रजनी के end से.
Right, right. Moving on
Yes.
to Manji.
Now again, this is my super favorite. You guys don't need to go to a restaurant, don't need to go out, no need to order food from out. You guys have to cook for yourself and for your family, and you have to try a different cuisine. So it could be
Hi.
any kind of cuisine. It could be Thai, it could be Chinese, it could be Italian. You can have Indian cuisines like Rajasthani, Mughal cuisine. Okay, you can, of course, you can have biryani also, but please take care of the portions. And this is supposed to be only once in 10 days. You can have a Spanish dish, you can have a Vietnamese dish, you can have a Japanese dish, anything that you like, anything. But try to have a different cuisine this time that you have never ever tried.
Please lunch में try करना, please. It's a request.
It is for lunch, yes. It is for lunch. Okay. So ये तो है ही. Apart from that, we are asking you to have try one of the exotic dishes. So this can be, try a different cuisine, could be Indian or exotic or desi, however you like it. But we also want you to try an exotic dish like risotto, like jawari noodles, gnocchi noodles, cauliflower rice also is something that you can have.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
You can also make a non-vegetarian version of cauliflower rice by adding some 100 grams of chicken, muttons, or prawns or eggs to it. You can
Right.
have whole wheat spinach pasta. Wow. I mean, who gives such options, man, while being on a diet? Make
Seriously.
biryani with a drop of oil. Yes, Sangeeta can really help you with this recipe. She makes chicken without oil. There is Sangeeta. Sangeeta.
Yes, yes. Sangeeta. Yeah, yeah. Definitely. I don't think she's there, but we'll ask her to post some good recipe.
So all these challenges are supposed to be done only once in 10 days. So don't overboard. Don't try to do it twice or thrice. Otherwise, सब उल्टा हो जाएगा.
And points
Okay.
deduct भी हो सकते हैं, ज़्यादा
You
खाया
have to
तो.
be very systematic and follow it because this is very well planned, and we have taken care of your calorie intake and everything, and according to your diet plan this has been formed. So please note that if we tell you the frequency, just abide by it.
Please. Yes, yes.
Okay, so go ahead, Nikita. Next challenge is
So include a different superfood in your meal every day and mention why do you think it's a superfood. So,
yes.
for example, yes.
So guys, what do you think is a superfood? Can we have some examples? The
Nuts.
challenge is amazing.
We have
Thank you.
nuts. We have seeds. We have moringa. Moringa is drumstick, by the way. मैंने याद कर लिया है. We have berries. We have eggs and whole grains.
So I want to tell you all that superfoods वो नहीं होते हैं जो fancy होते हैं, जिनका नाम हम pronounce नहीं कर सकते हैं. Water is also a superfood. Okay, eggs जो हम रोज खाते हैं, that's also a superfood. But we want to, we would like to hear from you that why do you think that this particular item, for example, water, why do you think water is a superfood? Eggs हम daily खाते हैं, but why do you think it's a superfood? How does it help you? So small things like turmeric, हम हल्दी रोज खाते हैं. Yeah, but haldi, how does it help? So we want you to educate us, and this is a challenge that you're supposed to follow every day, and you're supposed to try a new superfood every single day, because we are here to learn. Even whole grains, if you're having whole grains, if you're having whole bajra, that's a superfood. You're having fish, that's a superfood. You're having some nuts, you're having almonds, pistachios, these are all superfoods. तो superfoods वो नहीं होते हैं कि सिर्फ ब्रोकली हो गया और मोरिंगा हो गया और स्पिरुलिना हो गया और जिनके नाम हम लोग प्रोनाउंस नहीं कर सकते हैं और जो that comes from the west. No, that's a myth. All of these are superfoods, something that that helps you with your vitamin deficiencies, your all your micronutrient deficiencies. Those are all superfoods.
Right.
Okay, so coming to a very interesting challenge now, which is instead of having those multivitamin tablets and popping those pills, we thought that we should make our own multivitamin way of doing things. So you guys have to make your own multivitamin juice. Okay, multivitamin juice should have 6 to 7 ingredients in it, majorly vegetables, and of course some fruit combos. So when I was discussing these challenges with Gauri, she was like, "No, you cannot give them mango. Mango नहीं दे सकते इसके अंदर."
और
Anyway,
चीकू भी
multivitamin
बनाना चाहिए. She
mango
is like
नहीं
चीकू भी मत देना.
she gave me a list of fruit items that is not allowed. I said, okay, we'll go with what you say. So basically, I tried this recipe that you can try spinach, carrots, some green apple, some strawberries, oranges, some lime, some turmeric to it, blend it and have it. So you can make a smoothie out of it or you can make a juice out of it. It's totally up to you. But it has to have seven ingredients. That's a compulsion. Fruits that are allowed are guava, green apple. You can have papaya. You can have oranges. You can have fruits that are not allowed basically that are mango, chiku. All the sweet high GI fruits are not allowed. Okay. India has more superfoods than veg. Yes. Drumsticks. Yes. Absolutely. Green
Next one is very
smoothie.
important challenge which we are following since day one, I think, Anjali.
Yes, yes, absolutely. So this is a replacement of a green smoothie in a different way. So we call
Right.
it a multivitamin juice. Okay, we will be giving you a lot of recipes for this as well, but we want you to explore on your own and find out your recipe, your version of the best multivitamin juice. Because see, everybody has a different taste, so you would know what suits you the best and
Right.
your right. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Let's move ahead.
So showcase your meals every day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Sari plates दिखाओ. Post all your plates
हाँ,
and
you
it
guys
should be every day. Every day. You have 10
it
points for that.
has to be every day. Yes. For every meal, you will be getting 10 points for it. It has to be with correct hashtags. You guys can post a video, photo, however you like it. Or you can just
Yes.
simply say that, okay, I had this. But preferably, if it's a photo, we always like to see your photo so that we can tell you if you're going wrong on proportions or probably, it's a lot of gravy or you're using a wrong oil, amount of masalas in it. So if you
Right.
don't showcase your meal, we will never know what you're actually doing. So it's a request that if from other teams, if you're not able to follow any of other challenges, make sure that you do at least this. So you get 10 points for every meal that you showcase. So of course it has to be main meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner. We would love to have your evening snacks and mid-evening snack photos as well. That's always welcome. But let's do this. Let's make it a point that this time we showcase our meal every single day. Yeah. Let's move ahead to the next challenge. Just a sec, Nikita. All 7 ingredients need to focus different vitamin. No, not necessary. Not necessary. That's that'll be difficult. So you can make your own. You can use. So 7 by 7, I mean, one of the ingredients could be a superfood. For example, some seeds, some pistachios, some nuts to it, or turmeric to it. Anything that you like. So it doesn't necessarily have to be a fruit or vegetable when it comes to seven ingredients. Okay. Let's move to the next challenge.
Yeah. Include vegetarian B12 sources and match at least the RDA value. So the vegetarian sources are milk and meat.
Vegetarian sources, Nikita.
Yes. Yes, Anjali. Yes, vegetarian sources.
We want you to find out the B12 sources on your own. Of course, we will be giving you some hints on how to follow these challenges, but your mentors will guide you on this. So this has to be done again, like we had this vitamin challenge. Again, this has to be done every single day. How we had this vitamin D challenge, now we have this vitamin B12 challenge. That will help you aid your weight loss journey. It's very, very imperative that we do it.
Right.
Okay. Secondly, then we have the last nutrition challenge, which is that you're supposed to change your oil this time and start using filtered. If you're using seed oil, if you're using refined oil, you are supposed to switch to filtered seed oil or olive oil or any cold pressed oil. I love
Right.
cooking in coconut oil. Okay, I explained the benefits of coconut oil in the last video. So go ahead, change your oil. If you're using refined oil, if you're already using a filtered seed oil, well and good. All you have to do is show us a picture of what oil you've been using once, and you straight away get 50 points for this. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is what it is. We will not take much of your time. These were the nutrition challenges. Of course, the details of how to follow and what to do and what points and how to showcase and everything, all the nitty gritties of it will be posted
On the group.
after on this live video, and of course, will be handed over to your mentor. So,
Right.
if you have any questions, please you can comment here, or you can just post in the post that we are going to post this live video. You can just comment there, ask us any amount of questions, whatever confusions questions you have. Please go ahead, ask us here. If you think कुछ बाद में याद आ रहा है तो बाद में definitely you can ask. This challenge starts from Monday, so you have ample time to prepare yourself and collect the ingredients. Just have that mindset that अब ये सब करना है. And of course, you can start preparing stuff. That's very important because there are a lot of energy bars and laddus that you have to prepare and procure these ingredients. Okay, Swiggy has started delivering these days, so no need to go out in this situation. Yes, so this is pretty much it. These were the nutrition challenges. Already bought groundnut oil in these months. Wow, lovely Prajakta, lovely. Well, so these were the nutrition challenges.
Yes.
Quickly walk you through the workout challenges also. They are very, very interesting this time, and they are
Right.
very, very challenging. Okay, so the first workout challenge is that you're supposed to do a 10 minutes intense yoga or Tabata every single day. Now, so we have to move to a new level altogether since we were just doing some steps and jumping jacks, and we were doing some push-ups. So now we need to increase the intensity of your workout. So it has to be a 10 minutes intense Zumba or Tabata or intense any kind of dance session will also do. Preferably Zumba dance is that we want you to showcase. How are you supposed to showcase this particular challenge? You must be wondering 10 minute ka video kaun bana ke upload karega, right? So in that case, you can just show us a glimpse of the last 2 minutes and upload it. Okay. Let's
Yeah.
move to the next challenge, Nikita. How are you guys liking the challenges, guys? Show us some thumbs up, hearts. Come on, कुछ तो करो. No thumbs up, no hearts.
आ रहे अंजलि, काफी हाथ आ रहे हैं.
Functional training allowed. Yes, functional training is allowed. I will come to that. Rajni. Nikita, next challenge, please.
Next is about skipping. So you have to start from 100 and you have to take it to 1000 in next coming 10 days. Okay. And the points you have is 30. Okay. And this is to be done every day. तो बचपन की यादें पूरा करो. अब चलो skipping करने का time है.
Skipping करने का time है. So 100,
Yes.
200, 300, you have to increase the intensity by
Every day.
100 skipping every day. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 through you have to take it to 1000 skipping
So
till the next.
इनको एक बार में करना है अंजलि या इनको ब्रेक्स में कर सकते हैं ये?
ये जरूरी नहीं है कि एक बार में करना है. Okay, so
Right.
you can probably, if you can do it in one go, well and good. But since you'll be starting it for the first time, so it's recommended that you divide your day. You can start with 30 in the morning, 30 in the evening, or probably 30 in the night, and that's how you can do 100. 100 इतना difficult नहीं होता है. Once you're at 500, once you're at 500 plus till 1000. Yes, Avni, 1000. Avni is like 1000. This is like 1000. Yes, it looks difficult when you hear it. When I started skipping for the first time, so पहले पहले मुझे किसी ने बोला आपको एक दिन में हम 300 कराएंगे. My workout training 300 कराएंगे. I was scared. I said 300. That's crazy. Of course, I used to work out, but 300 सुन के मैं डर गई. मैंने कहा 300 एक बार में. But when we started doing it, I was like 300 तो कुछ भी नहीं था. It was a cakewalk.
Right. And especially we can specify here कि जिसके पास rope नहीं है, you can still do the skipping.
Do the skipping, yes. You can just
not दूसरे की rope खरीदना पड़ेगा. Don't go out.
After how many months of C-section, skipping is allowed? Well, yes, if you have had a C-section, you need to, depends on your condition, you need to wait for minimum 6 months to 8 months. Reena, if you cannot follow this particular challenge, we are going to be sharing some options also. Okay?
Yeah.
But yes, it is a compulsory challenge, guys. I mean, of course, there are going to be some exceptions, like Reena, if you've got a knee injury, if you've got any injury, you can always let us know. But this is a compulsory challenge for people who can do it. Let's rock it, guys. Let's rock it. Okay. Moving to the next challenge. Since we did steps the last time, we have really increased the intensity this time, and we have given you loads and loads of options. So steps, you have to again start from 17,000 because we have already reached that level. So starting from 17,000 to 20,000 something that we have to take till the 10th day. Okay, this looks doable, guys. If this looks doable, tell me yes. Give me a thumbs up. Can you do 20,000 steps by the 10th day?
Definitely ये कर लेंगे. I'm sure about it. It's going to be yes. हाँ देखो.
Does it look difficult?
Preeti, don't worry. 1000 में she's
yes. Everybody's like yes. Okay, you guys can follow it. Lovely.
Yeah. Next one.
So next one is
either
yes, please go ahead.
Either it's push-up or burpees. Okay, started from 5 and you have to go till 10. So jitna bhi kar paye, if you can do more than that, it's very good. But 10 tak you have to reach in this 10 days for burpees. And you get this is to be done every day. So workout challenge is to be done every day, guys. Okay. So and you get 30 points for this.
Does this look doable, guys?
ये तो आराम से हो जाएगा.
No, who's saying no? Why no, Sujata? Why can't you do?
No, she's saying no, it's not difficult. She's saying.
She's saying it's not difficult. Oh, okay.
That's like a spirit.
Lovely.
Yes. Rajni ki team ekdam motivated. I really see that. Very good, Rajni. You've kept them motivated really well.
Very well.
Yes.
So I think Kirti is not here because this must be an odd time for her.
Right.
That's why she's not here. Okay, so the next challenge is try a different yoga pose or a different workout that you have never tried before. Okay, and again, this has to be followed every day. This can be followed by a Surya Namaskar also if you want. Okay, so I'll just make you go through the challenges again. So it is 10 minutes intense Zumba or Tabata, then skipping, then steps, then push-ups or burpees, and then a yoga pose or a different workout every single day. All these are done every day. Also, there is a surprise. We had launched a surprise, but not all of you took advantage of it. Since we want you to work out, we have made this a compulsory challenge, and you get 100 points each for each class, for attending each class. So we have made 3 workout classes free for you, online workout classes that our workout coaches will be conducting for you. Okay, so you can. We have 3 batches. We have one at 7 a.m., one at 11 a.m. That is an international batch. Of course, anybody from India can also join that. And then we have an evening batch at 5 p.m. Yeah,
Yes.
if you are working and you don't get time during this hour, let us know. We will start evening later in the evening batch. Probably we'll start something at around 7:38.
Yeah.
You want to
Yeah.
sign up close to your office, we will take this on special test.
Right.
Okay. So this is to be done. You have to attend compulsory 3 classes in 10 days, and you're supposed to work out with our coaches, and you get 100 points each for that, for each class. Imagine you can just score 300 points by following this challenge, because you will get experience of close to 30 to 45 minutes functional training session, functional training or yoga. That's totally up to you. You can join any batches. Anjali,
Right.
it's 10. 10:30, 11. Yes, madam, you are the boss. Okay. So these are challenges in front of you. Okay. Apart from that, if you feel that okay, these are something that I can, this is a cake walk for me, और मेरे लिए तो बहुत सिंपल है, मैं कैसे करूँ, मैं तो मतलब स्किपिंग करना और स्टेप्स चलना, मैं तो इससे कहीं ज्यादा करती हूँ, ये तो कुछ भी
Right.
नहीं है मेरे. So we have given you an option of creating your own workout plan. That has to be a 30 minutes intense workout plan. You have to first get it approved from us. You can post in the group that this is what you have created, your own workout plan. You can just write it on a pen and paper, click a photo and upload it. Probably you can create on an Excel, however you want it. You can just write a post the however way you want it, you find comfortable. You have to create your own workout plan, 30 minutes intense workout, get it approved from us, or you can seek
Right.
help from a mentor, and post a video of last 2 minutes glimpse. It has to be last 2 minutes. हमें समझ में आएगा वो last 2 minutes है कि first 2 minutes है. ठीक है. And
Yeah.
so that is that where you get 170 points for this particular uh, challenge. But this or that, you cannot do any one of the challenges from the options that I told you before, or and do this as well. So since once you get the challenges with you, you will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, guys. So this is what it was about the challenges today. I hope you all liked it. If you have any suggestions, feedback, or any questions, please let us know in the comment section.